Okay, guys.
Hello.
Got my grandbabies. Got Zayden. Say hi.
Hi.
And Ava. Say hi.
Hi.
We are going to make some brain embeds for what? For our for one of our Halloween soaps. No, you don't need a paintbrush.
Skeleton and shivers down
Yep.
your spine.
We're definitely going to make skeleton embeds too, but not today. But I am going to use this brain mold. It's a stiff silicone mold, so it will work really well. And I made a great fleshy toned brain color. Hey, we're getting there. Can I get some soap dough out?
Yeah.
All right. So let me get some of this all squished up, and then you guys can help squish it up too. How's that?
Good. Yeah.
This soap dough is 2 weeks old because I don't let my grandchildren play with what? New soap dough. Very good.
This is old.
Yes, this is old soap dough
I
because
that one.
we want the lye out enough for, that way it doesn't hurt the baby's hands. And, well, I mean, they're not babies. Zayden is how old?
8.
Yeah, and Ava?
I'm 4.
And
I'm going to be
4.
9 in January.
Yeah, in January you will.
School.
Yeah, you're going to go to kindergarten this year.
And I'm going first grade on.
Yes, you're going to get cornstarch on your hands because this is pretty sticky. It's got titanium dioxide in it.
What?
Yeah, it's got white in it. Because remember, Mimi mixes her white with water. So
Yeah.
this has
Hot
got
water?
No, I mixed it with cold water.
Oh.
Okay.
No, one way up.
So this is what we're going to do. Let me show you guys. We're going to take some cornstarch.
Okay.
And I'll let you each do a brain. And we're going to put some cornstarch inside the mold so the soap dough is not going to stick to it. And we make sure, everybody can see. Then what we're going to do is we're going to stuff that full. And we're going to take the extra off with our finger a little bit. And Mimi's got to go grab her tools. But while I grab my tools, I'm going to let you go first, Z-Man, because you're the oldest. And you can put the cornstarch inside the mold and then put the soap dough in there. You might want to put some cornstarch on your hands too. Okay, let me go grab my tool to make that flat. And you can do that. And then...
It just makes your hands soft.
Yeah, cornstarch makes your hands soft.
Ooh, my hands are soft.
Let me find the tool I'm looking for. This one will work. Did you put cornstarch in the mold?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably need more soap dough than that, baby. Here.
I already made one.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep, you stuff it in there. Go ahead, push it down. Okay, there you go.
Now take the extra stuff off.
Yep, take the extra stuff off with your finger and you can put it right there on the soap dough.
Then it's my turn.
Yep, then it's your turn. Very good, Z-Man.
I do these two, wait.
Very good.
And then these,
All right. Okay, your turn, Ava.
Ian, say it.
Your
Cornstarch
turn.
on my hands.
Okay. Oh yeah, you need cornstarch on your hands. Here you go. There you go.
We each do one.
You gotta paint. You gotta paint inside here. If you need to stand up, you can stand up.
Please stand up.
Yeah. Make sure you get cornstarch all around there.
What's the one?
Yeah, doesn't
When it's in that camera.
No, you don't. We just need to do it faster like that. Okay, here
when
you go.
When it's in the camera, it looks like my normal hands.
Yeah, here you go.
Fine.
It's squishy.
Squash.
Yep, squish.
I want to put it right
No, you gotta put it in the one you put cornstarch in.
Oh yeah.
Yep, and squish it in there.
That's a lot.
Yep, that's all right. There you go.
Now smash it.
Yep, smash it.
With your big huge fist, that hurts me sometimes.
Okay, let's scrape some of that off.
There's a lot actually.
Yeah, there is a lot. Here. We'll put it closer to you so you
This
can reach it.
cornstarch makes my hands feel kind of soft.
It does. Okay. Let's scrape this off with this tool here. It'll make it easier.
What about this?
Yes, we're gonna do that one too. We're gonna make it nice and flat.
Like brains.
Yes, like brains.
Brains.
Okay.
Oh, my hands are no.
All right, now I'll do another one, and then we'll go around.
Like a merry-go-round.
Yep. So it'll be me.
You forgot part of it.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
My bad. There we go.
I'm squishing it for you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I appreciate you squishing it for me.
What a nice Ava.
Yes.
Oh, you're tall.
Okay, yeah, because you guys can't play with these tools. These tools are a little sharp for you guys.
Now like this. I am tired.
You're tired? Well, that's because you stayed up till 11 o'clock last night, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I call my grandson bro, and he does answer to it. Don't you?
Yeah.
Bro.
Or bruh.
Brosif. My brotato chip. Okay.
I like potato chips.
My turn. Yeah. No, it's Z-Man's turn, and then yours.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Put it
You're
right
gonna go
in
all
here.
the way over there?
Yep.
Okay, gotta get some on this side. See? There you go.
And
There you go. Let me get the extra out. Okay, get the soap down.
I touched Sam's hands.
Yeah, you're gonna need quite a bit. You're gonna need more than that. Hey, he can handle it. You're gonna go next.
I'm just making eyeballs for you.
Oh, you want to make eyeballs? That would be we can make eyeballs for the other Halloween soap we're doing.
Yes.
Yes, we can do that.
I want to put on the brain.
Yeah, you need some more pink in there, sweetheart.
Me?
Yeah, it needs to be level
Where's
with.
my brother, sweetheart?
Because he's my sweetheart. He's my only grandson. He's my favoriteest boy in the whole world.
What about me?
You're my favoriteest girl, you and Kiki.
She's coming over here Friday.
And guess who else is my favoriteest girl?
What?
Eurydice, your cousin.
And me.
Yes.
Okay, and
Yeah,
also.
my son Christopher and his wife named their daughter Eurydice.
And
named after a Greek goddess.
What's the nickname of Eurydice?
Her nickname is Yuri.
Yeah, but Kiki's coming over on Friday today.
Yes.
I mean, like on Friday, not today.
Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, your turn,
Tomorrow?
Ava.
That's Thursday.
Is tomorrow Thursday?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
it's
you're right.
Wednesday.
Here, let's do this one. No, let's do this one.
It's going in order. Say
Yeah.
only this one. No, I didn't.
There you go.
They actually look like
Okay.
brains.
Yep, once we pull them out, they're going to look like brains. All right, get some soap down.
Me?
No, your sister.
Oh.
Because it's your sister's turn. Oh, careful.
This is going too much. I squish it.
Yep, you squish it and
And
put it in
roll
there.
There.
Yep, put it in there.
Push!
Yep, push.
I need more.
No, you don't need more. You need less.
Less.
Yeah, let's pull it off with our finger. No, pull it off with your finger. Like this. Oh, we got some pulling up. See how sometimes it pulls up like that, guys? We gotta fill that in.
I love using soap though.
Yes, I know you love using soap dough. What are you screaming about?
Ava saw some scratch.
Oh, that's fine.
Tiny brains.
Yeah, we're gonna make
That scratches of
brains.
like a
Okay, my turn.
like
Then
a.
there's more and then there's
Okay,
You kind of like got missed kind of part of that.
that's all right. We'll get it to come out. Because all we have to do is stretch the mold to get it to come out. But we want to make sure all those little brain indentations come out.
I'm
So that
pointing
way they look like brains, right?
Yeah, I'm pointing it.
Yeah. When they come out, they're gonna look so cool.
Ava, you have hair on your
And
hand.
How did you get cat hair on your hand? What were you touching? Now Mia's gotta go wash her hands. Okay. Sorry guys, I gotta wash my hands.
Really
She
quick.
got cat hair on her hands somehow. Yeah, wash your hands and make sure they're really dry.
listen to the water. Okay.
That's all we need is to have cat hair in our brains. You know better than to touch stuff. Okay. Sorry about, yes, my love. Okay, it's your turn. What? What? You can ask me a question. You know you can always ask me anything. Oh, we still gotta get down here, sweetheart.
Oh my God.
Uh,
Oh my God, Mimi.
you know what I said when you're washing your hands? I said, don't hear that in the background.
Yeah, well, sometimes it can't be helped.
I do this.
Just say that,
This
okay?
one, the
Just
same
type it in.
Yep, Zayden's gonna do this one here. Let's make it easier for you.
Yeah.
You need more than that.
Eh.
There you go. Good job.
Yes, your tool.
That's my devil.
Yes.
That's my devil laugh.
Yeah. Can you pull the excess off of there?
Except
I-
what?
The excess.
What?
It means there's too much, so you gotta pull some off.
Is that
Remember how we rub it with our finger to get it off of there like this?
Aw.
Yeah. Hey, that's Z-Man's. You can do your own. You put plenty of excess on yours, my love.
Is these mine?
No. Yeah, you can't dig your finger into it. Mama has joined us.
You want? You want?
Hello.
Uh-huh.
I touched this one.
Yes, you can touch that one, but you gotta put cornstarch in the center of your mold first. Here, there's a paintbrush.
A paintbrush.
I want to do
My
this one.
face.
Okay, you do that one, and then Mimi will do the last one, and then what are we gonna do?
Put
We're
them
gonna unmold them. Yeah.
I gotta go on someone's
Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
Put some soap dough in there.
I want to put
Made a
I
mess.
know, we
made
make a big
mess.
mess when we
Made a
work with
mess.
soap dough, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
We make a huge mess.
Good job.
Ava's the big smacker over here.
Yeah,
Let me
she's...
do it again.
Okay, you do it again. She got the cat hair all over her finger somehow. I'm glad I caught it before. Actually, Zayden caught it before she started with another one. That was. I made her wash her hands.
So spooky, spooky, scary skeleton.
Yeah, we're gonna do the skeletons, but we're gonna do the skeletons with cold process soap. I
I need
think.
to make my hands.
Are we doing the skeletons bones with cold process soap, Lily?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
It'll
We have,
hold
because
up
I think
better.
we have like 2 molds, and we're gonna do the 3D ones. Guess what, Mimi
Well, it'll
needs?
hold up better.
Mimi,
Mimi need what, baby?
I put cornstarch on my hands.
Yes, you can put cornstarch on your hands, but we need a little bit
What
more
happened
soap
to the
dough to
TV?
finish this off. I turned the volume down, remember?
Yeah, but it's showing the words.
Oh, I don't know what, oh, because the man in the commercial is deaf, so he's using sign language, because deaf people use sign language in order to speak.
Yeah.
That's why the words were on the commercial.
Did somebody die while they were
Some
making that?
people don't
No,
know
honey.
sign language.
Yeah, some people don't know sign language, so they put the words on there. Okay, let's get this all
They're in my
packed
hands.
in there,
I'm rubbing my hands.
and we shall
God.
reveal our. I know she's got cornstarch everywhere. She loves the way it feels on her hands because it makes her. She said, "What? How does the cornstarch make your hands feel?"
Good. It makes
Soft.
it super soft.
Feel my
It
hand.
No, thank you.
does. Mama,
wash
Mama
my
doesn't
hands.
want to get messy right now.
I wanna
Okay, you ready for the big reveal?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
I'm ready for the big, huge reveal.
We're gonna pop these out all nice and gentle.
Yeah, we're
Look
first.
at that!
We got
Yeah,
fir-
be very careful
we
because
got-
it's still soft. Don't squish
squish
it. Okay, let me show everybody the brains. We've got brains.
I put
And
one
it's
out.
too light to see.
Mimi will poke them out. Okay. Oh,
I got some cornstarch.
that one's gonna
on
have to be redone.
You gotta go cornstarch on your skirt.
Yeah, we gotta redo this one, guys. That one had
Really quick.
It didn't have quite enough soap dough in there to get the
I won't wash my
ridges
hands.
of the brains in there.
Let me wash my hands.
You can go wash your hands.
Ava is a kind of a
Okay.
weirdo.
Ava is not a weirdo.
Kinda.
Okay, there we go. There's another brain. You know what we
Resin.
forgot to get?
What?
Wax paper. Brains! I love brains.
Now you pop one
I'm
out.
so excited for these Halloween soaps. Oh, that one's got a little, we gotta redo that one too. See how that had a hole in it?
Yeah.
Yep. Sometimes we gotta redo them.
I'm back, Mimi.
Yes, you're back. Are your hands dry? Are your hands dry?
Yes.
Mama says no.
I'm kidding.
You're just kidding?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta have your hands dry if you want to touch the soap dough. Because then you're gonna make it sticky. We don't need any more water in the soap dough. Okay, let's try this again. Make sure it doesn't have a hole in it.
Look, I'm painting.
Oh, that brain has a nice dent in it. That looks awesome.
I used
That's
that
for
to
my
sand that
finger.
sand.
Look, I'm painting.
Okay.
Mimi, look.
Me and
This
Sam
mold is really hard.
put in a
Is this one of the
pig.
ice cube molds you picked up?
I don't think I bought that one. I think it was
Amanda bought this one. Yeah, Amanda, the mold queen. She can't pass a mold section without buying sticks.
I'm painting.
Which I'm not, really not complaining about. We have so many molds. When I was organizing the soap room, I was like, oh my god, are you kidding me? How many
Good
molds
mama.
can one soaper have? Apparently a lot. I don't like that brain either.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to redo that brain.
Too bad, too sad.
Yeah. Gonna have to redo that brain. But this is our last brain because we only need 10.
Mimi.
What, my love? I know, that one's okay. It can be dented because then it looks like a zombie ate it.
Ew. I have it on my forehead.
Yeah.
Water.
You guys love playing with soap dough. What are we going to make next? What should we make next?
Skeletons.
Well, no, we're going to make those with cold process, and you guys can't play with cold process because remember I use lye with that, and that could burn you.
Oh yeah. Pumpkin. Let's do pumpkin.
Well, we have to make Magical Mystery Tour, so that means we have to make unicorn horns and unicorn ears.
Yeah.